What is up, everybody? In today's video we are going to be doing something very special to the RSX. I've been wanting to do this for a while now. I have created an actual list on paper listing all the mods that I'm gonna do to the RSX ever since I got the car, and this one is going to be checked off the list today. Right now your boys are looking a little too rough right now, so I'm gonna get a haircut from my boy Chen. Hit up my boy Chen the barber on Instagram if you guys are in the Sacramento area and need of a cut, lineup, or just a simple fade. Just hit him up on Instagram, Chen the barber, and he'll get you right. I'm gonna go ahead there right now because my appointment is at 10 and right now it is 9:53, but he lived down the street from me, so it's all good. I'll see you guys in a bit. Hey man,
That shit hella hurt, bro.
long time no see, man. How you been, man?
You know how it is, man. Just cutting hair.
How business, man?
Business booming right now.
Oh, okay.
Business booming. You know what I mean? Come on.
Oh, this guy's gonna save my
Booming,
life, man.
you know how it is. This guy's
Alright.
life already saved, man. Look at it.
Oh, you already ready? Wait. Sheesh. Boy looking good now. Okay. Shout out Chen again for the cut. Look at that. Ooh, crispy face. Ooh, okay. Now it's time to actually work on my car. Here she is. Oh, okay. With the RPF ones. Okay. These are temporary. I'm going back to stance pretty soon. And I mean pretty soon, I mean 3-4 months. So might as well use them for a little bit now. Let's actually take out the box and unbox it. Yes sir. So here's the header itself, test pipe, bolts, gaskets, all that, and yeah, should be. Oh, they gave me a defouler. Okay. Thank you, Skunk2. Oh, and they gave me nice bolts. Okay, thank you. Okay, let's actually take out the box. So this is what a brand new Skunk2 header looks like. Where's the alpha? Oh yes sir, the alpha branding. Can't wait to put this on. Looks so much better than the PLM, so much nicer. Look at them crispy welds though. Ooh. And then the thing I need to get fabricated is the triangle flange, because my Skunk2 exhaust has this one. I can't really bolt on to the triangles, so yeah, I'm gonna have to take it to the weld shop later. So hopefully we get it done in time and take it to the shop. So I'm gonna take off the old PLM header and hopefully nothing goes wrong. But this looks fire, super fire.
A few moments later.
Alright, so update. I got the top 5 bolts already loose. I'm just not gonna take them off all the way because I still need to take off the bottom ones on the bottom. I gotta jack up the car and take that off, and yeah, so far so good. All the bolts came out pretty nice and smoothly with the breaker bar, so yeah. We're going to the muffler shop now. Open header. Oh my god, that's terrible. Oh my god. What the fuck? Oh god. That doesn't even sound like pops, it just sounds like we're breaking things. I'm scared, yeah. It's okay, man. Talk, bro, we're not gonna make it.
Oh hell no.
Oh
hell no.
Oh hell no, man. Oh hell no. He doesn't care about it. It's already cracked.
Bruh.
Oh hell no, this guy's gone. Oh, your bumper came off.
Bruh.
Here at the muffler shop. Hopefully it turns out pretty good. I trust Sebastian and his team here. Hopefully it sounds pretty good. You guys probably already know what it sounds like before, but we'll see right after. Yeah, man. Alright, y'all, so we're gonna do a little B-roll cinematic in 3, 2, 1.
Hey, got to this. Hey, count up that knock to this. Hey, humble as I am, I kinda deserve it. We done got it out the mud and climbed to the surface. If I'ma take the risk, then it gotta be worth it. Yeah, cause look at all of the people I helped. Look at all of the pain that I felt.
It's happening, guys. Wow. So nice. Wow, so nice, man. Hey, what the? You hear that? You hear that? I heard that right there. Hear that? Just welded on. His exhaust is fully on now. How's it sound, man? I love it, man. I'm in love again. So nice.
Oh hell no! What the fuck is
what is this,
bro?
What the fuck made this road, bro? Oh yeah. There with all the popcorn. Guys, if you guys can guess where we're at right now, I'll give you guys $5, alright? I'll give you guys 5 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. If you guys guess Jollibee, you're goddamn right it is, you know
bro.
What I'm saying?
Yeah, no, I'm saying.
Have a jolly day.
Yeah. It's my home, bro. Come on, man. But the car sounds so fucking good. Right after we get some food and eat, me and Gabe are gonna go out to Mexico. You guys are gonna hear the car for the first time. It sounds so fucking good, bro. Like, there's no more leaks no more, no nothing. You don't hear no hisses no more, bro. And it sounds so aggressive. So, yeah, we'll see you guys after we get some food.
7 hours later.
We're here at Mexico. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah, here in Mexico. Let's go.
Long ass drive. Long ass drive to Mexico. We're gonna take some sound clips.
Yes, sir.
For his car. Here's Billy Guy. Hi, Billy. There's Billy, the target man. Oh, wait, he's coming. So slow. Whoa, fast guy. Whoa. Kinda slow, bruh. He's kinda slow, man. My fucking eardrum, bruh. Hell no, that shit hurt my eardrums. Oh, fuck. Sorry, man. You're kind of loud, man. Here are the headers again. Sheesh, look at that alpha symbol though. Sheesh, they look beautiful. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you guys did, please hit that like button. Comment down below what y'all think about these Skunk2 alpha headers paired with the Megapower RR. I love the way it sounds. I finally have no leaks whatsoever. I can finally check off the list I have right here for my project RSX that I made a couple years back when I first got the car. And safe to say, I'm almost there, guys. Here, I'll show you guys real quick. Go. Skunk2 alpha headers. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Just need the BC Racing coilovers, my actual tune, and a respray, repaint the whole car. For difficulty wise, for installing the headers, it actually took me about 25-30 minutes to take off the old PLM headers, and then it only took us about 4 hours, but then it would have took us only an hour and a half because we had to restart. We already had the header bolted up to the actual engine, but then we forgot to put the sway bar over the header, so we had to take off everything and just start from scratch again. I think out of 10 difficulty, it would probably be like a 4 or 5 difficulty. It was pretty straightforward with all the bolts and stuff. And shout out to Sebastian's welder again. He did a pretty excellent job with the welding. He was such an awesome dude, such a nice guy. He's probably one of the best welders out there in SAC. He's actually a funny dude. It is probably one of the best experiences with welders. He actually stayed past 5 o'clock, which is actually his closing time. And I think I actually left there around like 5:20 to 5:25. And he's such a nice guy overall, guys. Like, I cannot explain it enough. And he actually took time and effort to weld everything perfectly and have my exhaust stay up as close as possible to the frame so I won't scrape as much. It still hangs pretty low since it's a 3-inch exhaust, but I'm not really tripping. It's better than what I had before with the PLM headers. I only actually paid $160 for the whole thing, and it was a pretty fast process. And yeah, hope you guys enjoyed the video. More to come on the RSX, and I'll see you guys in the next vlog. This is AronRSX signing out. Peace.